cool looking bars. Very nice. Hello, Sweaty Cup. How are you? Good? Hello, Sweaty Cup. There's Taipan in there. This is a tiger bar, is it? Rocky. Hello, Sweaty Cup. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel outside Bangla Road. We're going to go for a walk down Second Road at night, at 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. There we go. So you know the location where we are, just outside Bangla. Taipan's just over there, as you can see. And there's people everywhere. Let's go for a quick walk if we can get through. Looks like we can, eventually. After all the others go through. There we go. I haven't been down this road much on this side. Anyway, so let's see what we can find, shall we? We can get ahead of these people. Make my life a lot easier. I was going to go for it. It's like a Formula 1 race, mate. It's so hard to get around people. There we go. Come on. Come on, here we go. There we go. And then I'm stuck behind these ones. Trying out. There we go. Finally got through. Alright, so there's a lot of restaurants around here. I think number 6 is here, isn't it? Number 6 restaurant or something might be a bit further down. Or is this, yeah, this is it here. Not a big line tonight. Usually the line's going miles outside. There's a few people waiting, but I personally couldn't be bothered waiting for food. I don't care how good it is. That's my opinion. Alright. My God. See if I can get a breakthrough here. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. Got through. Alright, so massage joints here on the left. Local hotel. Don't know this place. Not very familiar with this part of the Second Road. We'll have a look though, see if there's anything decent down here or not. Not too sure. Seen it during the day, it looked alright, so don't know what it's like at night. Not too sure. Maybe some massage joints. Oh, that spit smells beautiful. Sweaty Cup. That smells delicious. Smells bloody delicious. Exchange services. Tuk-tuks everywhere. In a traffic jam like Burke Street, mate. Take you forever to get through there. I don't No, thank you. Plenty of massage joints along here. Well, that's not a surprise, really. Plenty of massage joints everywhere in Phuket. Phuket, Thailand. Mojito bar over there on the right. Is that the same one as the one on the beach? Where they've got the swings out the front? Might be. Might be. Hello, Sweaty Cup. No, thank you. Cup and cup. think that's the tallest building, tallest hotel in Phuket. Forgot the name of it though. Pretty cool elevator, glass elevators on the outside. It's nice, eh? Very nice. Alright, let's continue on. Oh. Hopefully I don't get in trouble with the camera here. Oh, full house. Hello, hello, sweaty cup. No, thank you, cotton cup. Thank you. Sweaty cup. No, thank you, cotton cup. No, thank you. Pussycat just there. Got through there okay. It's a good thing about the Pocket 3, it's hard to sort of, doesn't stand out like dog's balls, mate. You're not holding it up in their faces and stuff, so, you know, they usually takes them a while to sort of realise you're holding a camera. It's good. It's a bit Middle Eastern down this way, I think. Spotty cup. I think we went to a restaurant down this lane. It's supposed to be really nice. I think it's called Orange. Is it down here? I think it might have been. Down the end there, we went left and it was called, oh my goodness. Is this a Tiger Bar, is it? Crikey. Hello, sweaty cup. It looked like a Tiger Bar. One of many in Thailand, or in Phuket anyway. Some bars down there, I think. By the looks of things. Might go have a look at that on the other side of the road. Yeah, I think what we might do, we might cross over here and walk back, I think. This will be interesting. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, we'll walk back this way and have a quick look down here. Because this looks like little Otop sort of thing. Looks like a mini Otop. Jenny Bar. Gee, I've never seen this joint before. So that's what I mean, it's a good thing about Thailand, man. You can walk down so many random soys and shit and just see, come into random joints, mate. It's friggin' awesome. Friggin' awesome. Cool looking bars. Very nice. Hello, sweaty cup. How are you? Good? Good. Hello, sweaty cup. I have absolutely no idea where we are. But there's bars and stuff everywhere. Hello, sweaty cup. Hello, sweaty cup. Hello, sweaty cup. How are you? Hello, sweaty cup. Parrot 2. This is like a mini Otop. Hello, sweaty cup. I have no idea where we are. Well, it's right opposite the Royal Paradise Hotel and Spa. If that gives you an indication of where we are. Who knows? What's down here? Star Bar. Asmat Bar. If anyone knows what this place is called, hello, sweaty cup. If anyone knows what this place is called, let me know. Because I have no idea. A few bars down here. Maybe we'll stop and have a drink. Pool tables over there. Is this a hotel here? Looks like it is. Mad Monkey Bar over there. What's that? Bella Rise Hotel, is it? Bel-A's Hotel. Don't know, never heard of it. Alright, hang on a sec, we might stop for a drink. Oh guys, just walked through there and had one drink and I'm out of there. That's a good little spot actually. Nice little spot that I've never seen before. But you know, they all want the bar drinks, mate. Buy the lady drinks, the lady drinks, I'm out. Thank you. Good little spot though, something different. Like 2.0 of Otop. Alright, so we're on the other side of the Second Road now, walking back towards Bangla. We'll finish it up on the way when we get to Bangla Road. Let's see what we can find in between. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Oh, it's gone quiet all of a sudden. A couple of tuk-tuks here with the wicked lights. What's going on here? The boys, the boys. What's going on there? Not going to get through there. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Oh, some cool Super Mario shirts there. Oh. Alright, we're close to Bangla now. Just on the right hand side up here. Outback Paradise restaurant there. Restaurant and sports bar. Let's keep it going. Like full bar. Burger, fries and grill. Alright, I'm going to stop here and have a drink. I just finished having a couple of drinks here at the Mojito bar, Mojito bar. Put down 2 or 3 Samsongs, the Coke Zero. Continue to walk now. It's just started to rain a little bit, a few spits here and there. Make sure I don't get the camera wet. And we move on. No, thank you, Cup and Cup. No, we're not far from Bangla Road, just up here on the right. Probably about 50 metres or so. Get through here. That's a cool tuk-tuk, isn't it? Colours are sick on that inside. Should have gone for a fucking piss before I left. Days Inn by Wyndham Hotel, just above here on the left. There's number 6 restaurant over there. Plenty of people lined up outside. Plenty of tuk-tuks. Alright, where to now? We'll go for a couple more drinks. The rain's getting a little bit heavier. I'm gonna have to stop filming, I think, because the camera can't get wet. Alright, we're just coming up to Bangla now here on the right. See over there, you can see the red hot bar on the corner. Taipan's just here. Thank you, Cotton Cup. There's Taipan in there. Thank you. There's Bangla over there. Oscar Sports Bar. Alright guys, I'm going to leave the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. It's starting to rain now. I've got to stop filming. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.